It's December 13th, 2013, Friday the 13th, that is. Current time 11:55 GMT. Friday the 13th for me sometimes is a good day, sometimes a bad day. So far, starting off today is a good day. Eurodollar cracking some of its support on the downside, while dollar yen has extended its high on the upside. One of the underperformers has been sterling, which has had an outside week, and if it closed below 163.39, will be an outside week key reversal. It's not a day-to-day for the U.S. today. Very light data again. Yesterday we had a little more, and we got some action out of it. Today we don't. Stocks are currently called a touch higher as market looks ahead to next week's Fed meeting and whether or not they taper. I don't really, the market will react to that, but most likely they'll signal the risk of tapering in the meetings ahead if they don't do anything tomorrow. Next Wednesday. Looking at charts, if you look at the dollar yen, for example, today. Let's see if I can get to the weekly chart here. As you can see, the importance of this 103.77 level. We got slightly above it today. If that cracks, you got 110.30 as your 30ish as your next target. So I would make it 114 on top. 104. I'm sorry, thinking ahead. 114, 104 on top, and that cracks. We could get up, kind of avoid to 110. We'll look at the euro since that finally gave way, although it's still up on the week, surprisingly. It's 137.02 was last Friday's close. If you look here, right now we could call this a failure to reach 138.32. Unless 138 is established, you can see here, even at a minimum, you got a 136.20 would be kind of a target, but there's very little in here. And you got a trend line that comes in around 135.60 or so. But the key in the euro is cross driven, and it's been supported by its crosses. Although euro yen is off its high now and coming back towards 142, it needs to hold 142 to maintain that very strong bid. We can go now. I think the 1 hour chart would be interesting. Here we have a bunch of lows here. They come in between 137.32 to 39 or so, and we broke that. So you got resistance really between 130, I'd say maybe 137.30 to 40, and would have to get above 137.50 to remove that an offered risk today. The euro has faked many people out over these past several weeks, and we can't rule it out again as we if we stay between 137 and 138, 137.50 is going to be the bias setter today. If you look here, you can see that 136.92 is a key level. It's a target. The 200 period moving average here is around 136.90. So if you want to take a key level on the downside, 136.92, and if that breaks, then we have a risk of 136.20. We need above 137.50 today to negate the risk, with resistance currently at 137.30.40. If you want to see more of these daily videos, go to www.global-view.com, or you can contact me directly at my email address.